Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 26. Today we are going to learn how can you use another type of array, which is associative array. In the previous lecture you learned how can you assign or how can you store multiple value inside a single variable like this. This is a single variable. Now we are going to learn the associative array. I'm going to comment this first of all, and now make sure we have a PHP folder inside our XAMPP. And where is my XAMPP? My XAMPP is installed inside my C drive, XAMPP, and this is the htdocs and this is the PHP. And now you can, as you can see, I have an index.php file, and whenever you want to access your folder, it will automatically execute your index.php file, or you can say index.php, go to the PHP folder and access the index.php file. As you can see, it's now working fine, so it's totally depend upon you, but I'm going to access the folder. Okay, so now what is the associative array? First of all, the associative array is a key pair value. How? For suppose I'm saying this is the array, and now I'm saying key and make sure equal sign and greater than sign, and I'm saying value. Okay, now what you need, you just need to store this variable, these values, these arrays values inside a variable. For suppose I'm saying array, and now I'm going to call the var dump value. Refresh the page. Now you can see the var dump is saying that this variable has the array 1. This is the 1. Why it's saying 1? Because you have only one value. Okay, this is the length of array. Okay, now it's saying key, and at the key you have your value. So whenever you want to access this value, what you need, you just need to call the key. For suppose I'm saying my array, and now what I need to call this key. Refresh the page. Now you can see you are echoing the value. For suppose I'm saying this is name, and I'm saying Shahzad. Refresh the page. You have to call with your name. Now you can see it's saying Shahzad, or I'm saying Alex, or I'm saying John. Refresh the page. Okay, now you can assign multiple values since you have assigned the array inside a variable. So if you want to add another value, what you need, just need to call that variables, and I'm saying age, so you can store the 10. Now what you need, if you want to access the age, just echo the age. Refresh the page. Now it's saying 10. You can assign as many as value. For suppose I'm saying city. Now I have to say, because city is the string value, so that's why I'm saying Karachi, and I'm saying country. So for suppose I'm saying India or USA. Okay, now if you want to echo the USA, just call the country key. So make sure these are the keys, key, and these are the values. Whenever you want to access a particular value, you just need to call the related key with the related value. So in this way you can create the associative array. So what happened, for suppose if you want to echo like this, I'm saying the name is, I'm going to concatenate the array and the value. For suppose I'm saying name Go to your page, refresh the page. Now you can see the name is John, and I'm going to concatenate another string. For suppose I'm saying age is, and you can concatenate with the age. For suppose call the age, refresh the page. Now you can say okay, provide the space. Okay, name is John, age is 10. In this way you can concatenate your arrays value with your index. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to learn how can you fetch the values using loops from a particular array. So thank you for watching.